Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about position time graph for negative changing velocity. Make sure you watch kinematics part 1 to part 3. Link is given below in the description box. Here first case is negative increasing velocity. Negative velocity means object is moving to the left. Here negative term shows the direction of motion. So whenever it says positive or negative velocity, so positive shows the direction of motion to the right and negative shows the direction of motion to the left. Increasing velocity means object is speeding up or accelerating. Suppose this car has velocity of 2 meter per second at first second. So this car is moving to this direction, and at the second it has velocity of 4 meter per second. At the third second it has velocity of 6 meter per second. So you can see car's velocity is increasing with the time. So car will travel 2 meters at first second and 4 meters at second and 6 meters at third second. So the positions of the car would be, car starts at 12 and it travels 2 meter in first second. So 12 minus 2, car would be at 10 after the first second. Then car travels 4 meter. So after 2 seconds, car would be 10 minus 4 equals 6. So car would be at 6 after 2 seconds. 6 minus 6, 0. So car would be at the origin after 3 seconds. So you can see car's position is decreasing exponentially. That shows car is moving to the left direction. As position is decreasing exponentially, so graph would be like a curve, like this. In the last video, we talked about position time graph for positive increasing velocity. There we got a graph like this. Here graph starts at lower position and then moves up to the higher position. So that shows positive velocity. But here this graph starts at higher position like 12 and then moves up to the lower position to the 2 or 0. So this graph shows our negative velocity, and that means object is moving to the left direction. Let's check the slope of the graph. Slope of the graph tells about the velocity. So we need to draw tangents at some points like this. These tangents show slope of the graph. So it's a curve, so each point has a different slope, and slope tells the velocity. So velocity keeps changing with time. You can see slope is over here and then getting steeper. That shows slope is increasing with time, and so speed or velocity of the object is increasing with time. That means car is speeding up because velocity is increasing or accelerating. So object has a positive acceleration. Next is negative decreasing velocity. So negative shows the direction of motion. That means object is moving to the left. Decreasing velocity means object is slowing down or deaccelerating or have a negative acceleration. Suppose this car has velocity of 6 meter per second at first second and then velocity of 4 meter per second at second and velocity of 2 meter per second. Car is moving to the left. So it will travel 6 meter at first second and 4 meters at second and 2 meters in the third second. So positions of car would be, car starts at point 12. It travels 6 meter to the left. So 12 minus 6, it would be at 6 after first second, and then car travels 4 meter. So 6 minus 4, so after second, car's position would be at 2. So you can see car's position is decreasing exponentially. So graph would start at higher position and then moves to the lower position. That shows negative velocity or car moving to the left direction. Then check the slope of the graph. We need to draw tangents. You can see slope of the graph is steeper at starting points and then getting flattened. So that shows slope is decreasing, and that also shows speed or velocity of the object is decreasing. So car is slowing down or deaccelerating. That means object has negative acceleration. We have studied 4 cases of position time graph for accelerated motion. So let's review them. So in the first case, you can see graph starts at lower position and moves to the higher position. That shows positive velocity of the object, and then checking slope at each point. Slope is increasing with the time, so that shows the velocity is increasing and it shows positive acceleration. So first graph shows positive velocity and positive acceleration. Let's check the second graph. It also starts at lower position and then moves to the higher position. So that shows positive velocity. Let's check the slope at each point. You can see slope is getting flatter or decreasing. That shows the velocity is decreasing, and that shows a negative acceleration. So second graph shows positive velocity and negative acceleration. Now let's come to the third graph. Here graph starts at higher position and moves up to the lower position. That shows a negative velocity. And then let's check the slope. Slope is flat at starting points and then getting steeper. So that shows slope is increasing. So velocity is increasing. So object has a positive acceleration. So third graph shows negative velocity and positive acceleration. Let's check the fourth graph. Here graph starts at higher position, moves to the lower position. That would show negative velocity. And then check the slope. Slope is steeper at initial points and then getting flat. See? So that shows slope is decreasing. So velocity is decreasing and object has a negative acceleration. In the following video, we will discuss difference between distance and displacement. If you have any questions, ask your questions in the comment box given below. Don't forget to subscribe for daily updates. Thank you.